Welcome back guys. In this video I will show you how to download and install Python IDE PyCharm. You can see the first link. Go to the website. Here you have two options. The community version is free, so download community version. So as you can see, it start downloading. So now I have downloaded PyCharm. Now I will show you how to install PyCharm. Click on PyCharm Community version. Run. Next. This is the by default location of your PyCharm. You can change it. Next. 64-bit launcher. Tick this. Add launchers directed to path. Tick this also. Create associations. It means that every Python file is associated with PyCharm. I am not check this. Next. So as you can see, installation completes. Now I'll show you do not import settings. OK. Continue. Select your theme. I'm selecting light. Start using PyCharm. Create new project. First project. Create. Close this. So as you can see, our first project has been created. Create a Python file. So as you can see, our PyCharm is working. In the next video we will start learning Python. So see you in the next video.